In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Black Flash in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the Black Flash if you are playing Jujutsu Shenanigans on a console like PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, or Xbox. All that you have to do is be playing as the Vessel or King of Curses and have your Divergent Fist ability ready. If you read the text under Divergent Fist, it says use twice. So if you do this, you will actually pull off a Black Flash. Keep in mind that the timing is very strict, but as you saw there, immediately upon using Divergent Fist, instead of seeing the standard blue effect, I was able to perform a Black Flash, and because of this, my attack did more damage. If it hit someone else, it would knock them back, and you saw the right effect. So I'll try to do it once more. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to pull it off reliably, but all that you have to do is get the timing. As you can see, I was able to get it off again. So all that you have to do is keep repeating this. Usually by pressing the right trigger, Divergent Fist will be used, and then you just have to press Divergent Fist again. Your character will pull their arm back, and immediately after they pull their arm back, that's your cue to press the button. So once again, press Divergent Fist as I'm gonna do here, and then press the button once more during the animation. So as you can see, I missed it that time. I was too late, and because of this, I saw the blue flash. You cannot be too early or too late. You need to strike at the perfect time. So this takes a lot of practice. However, if you can do it reliably, it's going to open up a lot of options when you are comboing someone else. So once again, I missed, but as you saw the two first times in the video, all that you have to do is use Divergent Fist and you will be able to perform the Black Flash like I mentioned. It is going to be a different color, so you will know that you got it immediately, and like I said, it's going to have more effects when attacking someone else, so you will be obvious that you were able to get a Black Flash. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Black Flash in Jujutsu Shenanigans console, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.